Hi, welcome to Samim Group. Today we're gonna talk about UDC card. Let's take a look at introduction video. The UDC 3455 card is a high-performance modular up-down cross converter. This card can convert SD, HD, 3G audio and video signals with multiple frames. This card can embed any processed sound signal on the output. In addition, it also provides the possibility of de-embedding the sound from the SDI input. It is also possible to set a delay of up to 10 seconds on both pairs of embedded channels. Among the capabilities of this product, it pointed out the synchronization of the frame, creating a delay in the reference input sound to adjust the time and ARS. Also, this card has a web-based user interface as well as the ability to update remotely and support the SNMP protocol. General features of UDC: convert 3G, HD, SD signals to each other. Features of the video processor: the possibility of advanced interlacing of video to improve image quality. Image processing including noise removal, image enhancement, brightness control, contrast, and image color foam. Features of frame sync: frame synchronization with the reference input and definitive detection of the input signal. Horizontal and vertical timing adjustment according to reference input freeze and black the image automatically in case of video signal interruption. Audio process features: sound processing includes the possibility of connecting the audio crossbar of each input to each output, gain control and mute and inverse for each channel, change left and right sound, detection of silence and overload, audio delay so that a delay of up to 10 seconds is possible for each pair of embedded channels. Embedder: embed any processed audio pair in the video output. De-embedder: audio de-embedding from SDI signal to analog and digital signal. TPG features: internal test signal generation. That's it, guys. For more information, you can check out our website at www.samimgroup.com. Thanks for watching.